Hi, my name is Eva and I am going to show you today the latest property that I have staged with Joanne from Unique Home Solutions. I am really excited to see what it looks like.
Hi, come on in.
Hello.
What I really love about home staging is taking a property that has no furniture, has nothing in it, and just transforming it so that when people walk in through the door, they go, wow, I can't believe it, I love this house. When I first walked into the house, I saw the high ceilings and the long wall. So my first thought was, how do I make it look like the living room and the dining room belong together and not stick too much art all over the walls so that people will feel that there's just too much going on.
To make the buyer fall in love, to make him feel like they're at home, to get the feeling of how you can place the furniture, the layout of this home. Potential buyers, they operate a lot on emotion. So when they come in through the door and they feel like the home is warm, there is nice decor, they picture themselves living here. I am so excited. The house is finally ready to be put on the market. Joanne did a fantastic job on staging. Our marketing is so on point. We are really excited for the open house this Sunday, and we are hoping to find the perfect buyer for our client. Thanks for watching.